Hello,
Hi, my name is Irfan. What's your name?
Didam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
Where are you? I'm fine. How are you? Where are you calling from?
I'm from India. Where are you from?
I'm originally Turkish, but I grew up in the States.
You were from Turkey?
Yeah, I'm from Turkey. Yeah, originally.
Wow.
Yeah.
I need to talk to a Turkish girl.
Why?
Watching a lot of movies from the serial and all.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool. Nice. So
Yeah,
what shows do you like to watch?
you know, have you heard of that?
Yes. Yes. Diriliş Ertuğrul.
Do you
I've
know?
seen that show. Yes.
Yeah, that one. So, did you watch that?
Yep. I've seen that.
That's very popular in India
Oh,
and
really?
all the these things. Yeah.
I watched that show. I watched all 5 seasons or however many that was. It was so long.
So you understand Turkish language?
Yes. Yes. I'm bilingual. I speak both.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How is if I wanna visit?
Uh, visit where? Turkey?
Yeah.
Well, I think right now because of COVID, there are a lot of things that are closed.
Oh,
So maybe right now is not the best time to travel, but after the pandemic, for sure, you should definitely
yeah.
travel.
I want to come there.
Yeah. Where would you go to in Turkey?
I never went anywhere. Like I want to go later.
No. Where would you want to go to?
I don't know anywhere.
Maybe Istanbul, the biggest city.
Yeah. I heard about
Yes. Cool.
it. So where are you staying right now?
I'm currently in Istanbul.
Oh, okay. You are in Turkey itself, right?
Yeah, I'm actually kind of stuck here. I actually
Oh,
live in Saudi Arabia, but the flights are closed. So that's why I couldn't go back.
oh, okay. For staying in UAE.
Sorry?
I said for staying in UAE, United States, United Arab, right?
No. Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia comes in
Yeah.
that, UAE. Okay, that's cool.